Hey guys, so we have our cooked Maine lobster that we had started working on a little bit ago. And so now I will show you how you can make lobster cucumber bites and how you can make a lobster sushi roll in your kitchen. There you go. All right, we ready? I'm gonna go ahead and crack the sides, kind of turn, and this should just fall right out. Okay. You can also snap the legs out. There's a lot of meat in there and a lot of juice. Okay, there isn't a whole lot of meat, but you know what I mean. You'll still be able to get some stuff out. Okay, claws is where you can find a lot more. Okay, you can also. Okay, so as you can see, I've sectioned out our lobster. By the way, you can save the shells and actually add water and some vegetables to it and make a lobster broth out of it, which is actually quite delicious as well. Or you could add brandy to it, flambe it, and make paella with that broth. Okay, so I have the tail end here. I'll go ahead and clean it out a little bit. Okay, I will set aside everything. Yeah, I will get rid of the center section here. Just get this part out. I know some of you will like to eat that. I'm not a big fan of it, so I'll just go ahead and wash the shell out. Mostly for aesthetic purposes. Nothing too crazy. Go ahead and move our shells, or I mean our claws, and our legs aside. Okay, wipe down my little cutting board here. Okay. Just crack it right open. Okay. And I'm sure somebody in the comments or someone watching this video will have a better way of doing raw lobster. That's wonderful, but this is how I do it, and it works just perfect. And I'll go ahead, just kind of trim that off a little. Tail meat. Okay. I would suggest using scissors for this, but I don't have any available at the moment, so I'm doing it the old school way. Oops. Let's just make a big mess. Get lobster juice all over her, shall we? The shoulders. Dislocate this joint. Push it right out. Okay. You can see hollow. This can be really sharp, the shell, so just be very careful with it. Okay. Okay. And let's see if we can go a better way of getting the shell out. Okay. There is one end for right claw. Okay. And lightly go ahead and pull that out. There's the right side. The tail, shoulder, and the right side. Okay. It's not a competition. Please take your time. Make sure there's no shells in the meat. Keep everything separated. Okay, I'll go ahead and wipe this down since I like to have everything cleaned up. Okay, this is kind of where we're at right now. Our lobster. You can see. I did end up cooking this one for about 14 minutes, and then I cooled it right down with ice and water or slush. I'll pull this one out. Oh, that is sharp shoulder there. I don't want to poke myself too hard there. Just... Yeah, we'll go ahead and put on that guy there. And I like to start with the ridge side. Okay, this time I was able to, you see all the fat? That's all the fat. Nothing harmful, it's just fat. It's all empty. Wipe this down. A lot of people don't spend too much time trying to clean these out. You don't really have a whole lot in here, but if you really wanted to, from what I have seen, you can just push it out, I guess, like that. It's just leg meat. So press down on it and push it out. You can barely get anything out of it. But since I don't really like to waste a lot, I will go ahead and at least try to get the bigger stuff out. Come out. Toss. Okay, now the legs. Don't really have much in here either. So I wouldn't be spending too much time trying to get, it's not even a bite worth. Yeah. It's done. It's done. Done. Okay, great. So this is pretty much our 2 pounds of lobster deshelled. Let me show you how to make the sushi roll and the cucumber bites.